Good morning, student. Today in this video we will share one topic of class 9 named as lines and angles. This topic is very important in the sense that in class 9 there are so many geometry chapters. Almost 6-7 chapters are given, and for every chapters you need the concept of this topic, lines and angles. So without having these concepts you can't understand the remaining topics of your class. So I think you will pay more attention and will learn all these concepts. So let us take one by one the different kinds of pairs of angles. First one is the adjacent angle. As the name suggests that adjacent एंगल्स मीन्स दो अगल बगल एंगल, यानी एक फिगर में दो एंगल होंगे जो अगल बगल होंगे, तो स्वाभाविक है दोनों एंगल जो यहाँ दिखाया गया है इस फिगर में वो है AOB और BOC, जिन्हें सुविधा के लिए क्रम से एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 लिखा गया है। आप देखिए कि ये दोनों एंगल ऐसे हैं जिनके सेम वर्टेक्स O है दोनों के लिए, और एक आर्म दोनों में कॉमन है वो है OB, और अनकॉमन आर्म OA और OC उस कॉमन आर्म के दोनों दो तरफ है। तो नाउ इफ वी brief all these points, then we have the definition of pair adjacent angles. So adjacent angles now can be defined as two angles are said to be adjacent if they have the same vertex, one common arm, and uncommon arms are in the either side of common arms. Okay students, it is clear. Now we will take the another one which is known as linear pair of angles. It is related to adjacent angles. So just we have seen that adjacent angles in the above figure. Now if the sum of such two adjacent angles is 180, then adjacent angles will be called as linear pair of angles. It means linear pair of angles happens only if two angles are adjacent first, and the second, the sum of these two angles should be 180. Quite natural. When the sum will be 180, then the baseline will be like a straight line as shown in the figure. So here you see angle 1 and 2, they are actually adjacent angles. I mean angle AOB and BOC, because all the properties of adjacent angles are here. The difference only in this regard that in the above figure the sum of angle 1 and 2 is not 180, but here in this figure the sum of these two angles is 180. Now this angle will be called as linear pair of angles. So we can define now that if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180, then it is called linear pair of angles. Okay student, so I think you have got the idea of linear pair of angles, and you also could learn that what is difference between adjacent angle and linear pair of angles. So you can also state in this way that all linear pair of angles are always adjacent angles, but all adjacent angles may not be linear pair. Okay, now we will see another one that is called complementary angles. So here two angles are again we have, and the condition is the sum of these two angles should be 90. So if the sum of any two angles is 90, then such pair is known as pair of complementary angles, and each angle in this pair will be called complement to each other. For example, 30 degree and 60 degree, these two angles are complementary to each other. Similarly, 40 degree and 50 degree, these two are also complementary to each other. Similarly, 72 degree and 18 degree are complementary to each other. So we can calculate the complementary angle for a given angle just by subtracting the given angle from 90 degree. Say suppose given angle is 30 degree, then we can find its complementary angle just doing this 30 degree minus from 90 degree, so it will be 60 degree. So for angle theta, for any angle theta, the complementary angle will be 90 degree minus theta. Similarly, another pair is supplementary angles. So let us see here. Suppose we have two angles, and if we add them and we get 180, then such pair will be called as pair of supplementary angles, and in that pair each angle will be known as supplement angle to each other. So we can now define that if the sum of any two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles, and each angle will act as supplement of other angle. For example, 70 degree and 110 degree are supplementary to each other. 100 degree and 80 degree are the supplementary to each other. Like that, 55 degree and 125 are also supplementary to each other. So one thing notice here, like complementary angle, here we can calculate the supplementary angle for any given angle. Say if we have one angle of 10 degree and it is asked to find the supplementary angle of 10 degree, then we can find just doing the minus work this 10 degree from 180, so we will get 170. In this way, 170 is the supplementary angle of given 10 degree. So this implies that for any angle given which is theta, then its supplementary angle will be 180 degree minus theta. Okay student, now we will discuss one very important heading in this topic, and that heading is pairs of angles made by cutting two parallel lines by a transversal. So this starts from class 7 and goes till you read geometry. So pay attention here and try to get these. We will discuss now different pairs of angles which are formed when two parallel lines are cut or intersected by a transversal. But before going this, we first know what a transversal means. ट्रांसवर्सल किसे कहा जाता है? ट्रांसवर्सल उस लाइन को कहते हैं जो कम से कम दो या अधिक लाइंस को अलग अलग जगह पर काटता हो। ध्यान दें, अलग अलग जगह पर ही काटता हो। यदि वो एक ही जगह पर दो लाइन को काट रहा है तो वो ट्रांसवर्सल नहीं होगा। जैसे यहाँ फिगर में दिखाया गया है, आप गौर करें, यहाँ पर दो लाइन L और M है जो देखने से पैरेलल भी है, और उस दोनों लाइन को एक लाइन T अलग अलग जगह पर, लाइन L को A पर, लाइन M को B पर काटते हुए पास हो रहा है, तो T को ट्रांसवर्सल कहेंगे। सिमिलरली सेकंड फिगर में आप गौर करें कि तीन लाइन दिखाया गया है L, M और N, और तीनों पैरेलल है भी नहीं, तो ये आवश्यक नहीं है कि पैरेलल लाइन में ही ट्रांसवर्सल होगा। ट्रांसवर्सल पैरेलल और नॉन पैरेलल लाइन सभी में होता है। खाली कंडीशन है कि ट्रांसवर्सल उसको कहेंगे जो दो या दो से अधिक लाइन को अलग अलग जगह पर काटता हो। जैसे यहाँ फिर गौर करें आप कि लाइन T, ये लाइन L को A पर, M लाइन को B पर और N लाइन को C पर काटा है, अलग अलग जगहों पर काटा है, तो फिर से हम लोग इस T को ट्रांसवर्सल कहेंगे। तो हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप ट्रांसवर्सल से वाकिफ़ हो गए कि ट्रांसवर्सल किसे कहेंगे। तो ए लाइन विच कट्स टू और मोर लाइन्स एट डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स और एट डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट्स, then such line is known as transversal. Now we will come to the topic that topic, that heading, that what are the different pairs of angles when